Hi guys, okay, so on this video I'm going to go through my last week's trades, and I'm using TradingView today. I normally do my videos on my IG broker account, but I decided to use TradingView, so bear with me as I try and show you my trades for the previous week. Now these are all done using the London Breakout strategy, which, just to quick summarize, you'll see a lot of traders using the London Breakout strategy on YouTube, and they all differ slightly. Basically what we've got here on the chart, we've got the Euro US dollar. You can also do it on the pound US dollar. Some traders even use it on the FTSE 100, but I trade primarily forex. So Euro US dollar, we've got, these are 5-minute candlesticks, and where that box is the Asian session. So the Asian session runs from midnight to 8 o'clock UK time. So I've drawn a box around the Asian session. I've got two moving averages. So the blue line is the 6 EMA, exponential moving average, which tends to react quicker to price, and the yellow, or the gold one, is the 21. Essentially when the 6 crosses the 21 it would be a buy, when it goes down below it's a sell. I've also got the MACD at the bottom as well, which moves in a similar way. A lot of traders don't use this for London Breakout. They just go either long or short when it comes outside of the box, the Asian session. So this is Monday, and I've got the box there, the Asian session. Right, let's just see if this works. So it's come out here, approximately here. As you can see there, it's come outside the box. So I went short here, but as you can see, it didn't really go down that far. Went literally just to there. So I literally only got like 3 pips on that. And as you can see here, it's gone up. The blue's crossed the moving average, gone back up. It's come back down again. And then it's gone back up again. So I made some profit on that, but it wasn't brilliant. Okay, that was on the Monday. And in fact, the Tuesday was even worse. If we go to Tuesday, the Asian session yet again in the box. The box doesn't need to be, I've got a little bit of candlestick out there, it doesn't need to be 100% accurate. But yet again, if I just highlight it, so it hasn't come out the box here, and it doesn't come out the box until, where are we? It's about 1 o'clock. Now normally you'd give it from when the London session opens at 8, which is when you get a big influx of orders. You can normally tell the direction by 11 o'clock, so I'd give it till up to about 11, maybe half 10. You see it starts going down at 1. The US session for forex opens at 1:30, and then it starts going back up again. So I didn't take any trade on that, so you don't always get a trade with the London Open. Now Wednesday, and you can see here on the Asian session, the rectangle box, really narrow range is what you want, because more likely to get a breakout here. Now I did get a winning trade here, but I also made a bit of a mistake. So what I do is I normally set my trades for a limit order of 10 pips, not being greedy. I keep an eye on it, but sometimes I might go away from the screen, it might hit that 10 pips, and that's it. I could not set a limit, and I could have a trailing stop. But basically what happened here is, you can see here, the blue line, moving average 6 across the 21, which is a sell anyway, and it's come out the box. It's come out the box here, about 46. So my limit would have been down, what about here? Would have been my limit. But as you can see, it's carried on down because the blue line's still outside actually of the yellow, and it's gone down, and I would have got about another, it's probably about another 20 pips actually. What, 419 up to there, yeah, just under about another 17 pips on that. An £8 a pip, that's quite a it's quite a good win that I'm missing out on, but I still took the 10 pips. £8 a pip, still £80. In fact, it was just over. I think it was check here 82.40. So not bad. But as you can see here, it's just if I had trusted the system, we've met some support here, and then as you can see here, then it starts going back up again. MACD is fairly similar. I tend to go by more than moving averages because they tend to be a bit more relevant. The MACD can be a bit slow in responding. But yeah, and as you can see here, I guess I was looking more at the price here, because you can see here it's starting to go back up again. But I really wasn't looking at that because I'd already set the limit. Now the other way I could do it is obviously, maybe next week not set a limit, and just write it down, because obviously I'm on a 5-minute chart. There's a bit more noise than obviously the 10 or 15, but not as much noise as the 1 minute, so I shouldn't react that quickly. So that was on the Wednesday, and then that was sort of it really for the week, because on Thursday, what happened on Thursday, I did make a bit of a mistake here, which I'll admit to. On a Thursday, it came outside the box here, okay, but then it came down to here, and it met some support here for about 2 hours. So my theory was, when it came back up again, I'll just get the highlighter there, when it came back up again, get the highlighter to show you, when it came back up here, I decided to cut my losses and break even, which was silly really, because obviously once it starts moving up, the blue's gone back up again. It's gone back up. You know, I probably would have got there. I think I probably would have 44 down to there. Well, I would have got 6 pips, but you see it's come down again, and then it's gone all the way back up again. So I was looking more at the price, because I was watching it and getting panicky. And I guess because in the past I've seen trades go wrong, and I'd rather get out at break even or a small loss than a big loss, especially on these shorter trades. Okay, so that's there. Ooh, get rid of that, and then yeah, I told you I'm new to trading view. We'll move across, and then Friday. Well, Friday, if we go, see, look at that. This is on Thursday. Just see how far that's gone up. That's gone up about 50 pips all the way up there. And if you're just stuck with the moving average instead of looking at price, and that's my own mistake. You see, you can use strategy works, but at the end of the day, it's all psychological. Okay, and then finally, if I can get this to work, this is on Friday. Now Friday there, as you can see here, I'll just show you, that was a news report here, this big one here. I think that's about 8:05. So what I did was I waited till the market settled down, and waited till it had broke out. Let me just get the highlight again. Waited till it had broken out of that section there. So I waited till it had broken out here, and then I went short. And what happened was, it started to go back up here, and I thought, excuse me, I thought the moving average was going to move up, but obviously you always get pullbacks on the downtrend, and it came back down again. So I would have got my 10 pips, but I didn't. I more or less came out there. I think it was about 4 pips loss. But yeah, again, I should have trusted the moving averages rather than looking at the price. So lesson learned. But you know, for the week, I'm still up approximately 2.5% on the small account, which is not bad. So, yep. So lessons learned. And next week, I shall have to look into more my mindset and more at trusting the system, trusting the moving averages, rather than getting swayed by my emotions and the price moving. And probably just set the orders without a limit, and let them run their course, so I can, you know, obviously lock in greater profits. So we'll see what happens next week, and I'll see you later, guys. Thanks for watching.